Alright, let's do data assets to give our characters or whatever we want special attributes. Let's go. Blueprint. Data asset. Primary data asset. Yes. Data asset. Data is perfect. Now this is all we need. Variables. Health. Float. So this will default at 100. Then just go nuts on whatever you want in here. Alright, I got my data stuff all set up, so let's go out and make an actual new one. So, data asset, because it's stuck in miscellaneous. So then you'll have a base class, so Manny. So now, what kind of health? I want Manny to be built like a truck, but slow. Then for my mesh, Manny. Then with Quinn, I want her to be fast, but be very damn it, her, you know what I mean. So like, yeah, 500 and Quinn, perfect. Then no, UE4. So just a UE4 mannequin. So then with I'll just use this guy as like a debug or something. So now you have yourself a data asset. What do we want to do with it? So then let's set this up. So essential stuff, create one called change character. And with an input of data asset, well, so don't pick class, just pick the default name. So now, with our change character, we call this in get speed, get health, then get mesh. So now we can do set mesh set the mesh asset, plug this in right here. Well, max warp speed, plug this in right here. Oop, not the health. So then with this, you can use my health component to update your health if you want, but I'm not in the same thing. So now let's set up some 1 key, 2, and then 3. We'll call a change character. What asset? 1 will be Manny, 2 will be Quinn, and 3 will be the debug guy. So now, if this works right, yep, we've got Manny, slow, Quinn, fast, but we, as noticed in our health, then Unreal, the UE4 mannequin. So, yeah, you could also add in a animation blueprint, but whatever. And enjoy your data asset.